Okay, this is the logarithm homework, the 6.4c, 14c. So I want you to start writing when t gets very large. When t gets very large. Now I just want you to try. Let's say I put in one number. What happens? Where is the t here? Left or right? Power. It's the power. It's the something here. And I just want to try with some number. Let's say e to the power of k is, what's the value of k? 0.198. Or actually I don't have to bother what is k. But what happens when e, there's a negative here and t get very large? Large means like 1,000, 100, 1 million. Let's say I have minus 10. Can you tell me the value? Press the calculator for me. Just tell me the value. E power negative 10. 0.0004. Oh, 0.004. Let's try again with 100. E to the power of 100. What is the value then? Negative 100. E to the power 0. 0. Oh, not enough, huh? Oh, 3.72 times 10 to the power of negative 44. So it's as close as 0. Now, so what I want you to write is this. Now, in exam, this comes under the extra mark, the more difficult question. What you can do is you can just try putting some number, because very large, you know what is very large. Tell me the number, then you see, oh, it's very small. So what can you say about E negative KT? So you will write this, E negative KT approaches 0. So this is something new, You don't like the arrow, you can put approaches 0. So this equation will become what? This equation will be 0 plus 24. So the temperature, yes, equals 24 degrees Celsius. Is it every question like that? Is it we assume? No. So what you do is when t becomes very large, put inside the t and then see what it looks like. So in this case, put inside the t, it is very small. Now if this thing is positive, it's the opposite. It becomes very big. Okay? Yeah. Then how? Then we see how the question asks. Exam 1 mark. 1 mark, 2 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark. Now, 1 mark, 2 mark, no need to do, not true, because this 1, 2 mark is going to distinguish between A and B's. So this is the question that's going to help you get A. Yeah, plus 24 long, so plus. Huh? Oh, because the equation, look at the equation, T equals to A E this. So if this fellow becomes 0, temperature equals 24. Positive KT. When the thing gets very small, right? When very small. Then again it becomes 0. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it becomes 1. Okay, let's try Aaron's question. Let's try Aaron's question. So, can you help me write 14D? T equals to AE KT plus 24. 14D, I invent one. It's not even in the textbook. Now, let's try and say, K in this case, I cannot become big. Become big, that means the whole thing is very big. What if what if T is very small? Say, I just give example. If T gets very small, I see whether you understand or not. Can you tell me EKT approaches what number? Is it still 0? Wrong. Why 1? You try e to the power of small number. T get very small, so T is 0.1. T is 0.0001. What happens to E? You try? You press the calculator? E equals to, so what you want to try is you want to try pressing e to the power of 0.01, 0.001. It's still 1. It's still 1. Do you get that? Do you see that? You press the calculator, e to the power of 0.00. Do you get 1? So you get 1, right? So since you get 1, then this approaches 1. This approaches 1. Now, if you understand this, you are able to tell me t equals to what? The big T equals to what? 25 is wrong. The big T. Since this whole thing become 1, what is the A? What is the A value? In the 14A, 70. So this whole thing become, this is 70. So temperature will become 70 times 1 plus 24. This will become 94 degrees Celsius. Do you follow? If you really follow this, that means you understand the concept. Okay, let me try. Now, I want to focus at this e to the power of kt. I try, because t get very small, right? So t get very small, the press calculator is equals to 1. Almost equals to 1. Which means this EKT equals to 1. But T is the temperature. Temperature depends on A times this. This is 1. What is A? 70. How do you get 70? From 14 part A. Right? So then, if this whole thing approaches 1, the temperature will be about A, which is 70. This whole thing is like 1. Plus the 24. Do you follow? Based on this equation. Therefore, I add this number, it is 94. You see the difference between this and this? Why this is 0 plus 24? Because it approaches 0, so whole thing becomes 0. You see the difference? So I hope I answer both the question. Is it always 0? No. Is it always 1? No. It depends on the question. Clear?